And on our radar this morning, a Central Ohio singer is leading online album sales worldwide just hours after releasing his debut album. Good Day's Lisa Henry sat down with the 27-year-old chart topper.
The voice you hear singing on this American Idol Super Bowl commercial,
"This is my time, this is my dream, this is it,"
belongs to Kristen Gray. And this week, Kristen released his debut solo album under Collision Records titled School of Roses. What was that moment like when your album was on iTunes and you saw it for the very first time?
It was like, I don't know, I just felt like it was something out of a movie. It was crazy, you know.
His album shot to the top of the charts on iTunes.
And then I got in the car and like rolled the windows down, and every red light, I would look at people like, yeah, are you listening to this right now? Because it's #1 on the chart.
#1 for R&B albums and #1 overall. And he did it while living right here in Columbus. How did you make this happen while still staying here in Columbus? How'd you do it?
Columbus has a lot of talent. I mean, everybody who's here knows that. I don't know, I think we do an interesting job of exposing that talent. There's a lot of people who leave here, but I stayed put. I love it here. It's safe.
His dream of making it big became a reality, but it didn't happen overnight. Kristen, who is both a singer who can rap and a rapper who can sing, has been popular in the Christian hip-hop scene for a while, appearing on tracks with Swoop, Yavis, and Lecrae. Now he's on his own, schooling the nation on the extraordinary talent born and raised in Central Ohio.
In the final hour, I'm in search for time.
For Good Day Columbus, I'm Elisa Henry.
This moment of forever, 1,000 words